Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in lemons. I am loving it. Let's get started, guys. Now this is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today is freestyle, so I decided to decorate in lemons. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. Now I really enjoyed putting this table together. These lemons are so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.